on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, I'd just very much like to warmly welcome you to Brunel University. We're particularly pleased to have with us today representatives from the research councils and from Innovate UK, as well as key industry representatives, and particularly interested to listen to what they will have to say about the latest initiatives and programmes on energy and food food-related research. So this is an important area for the university, one we're keen to grow, and of course an important area for society. So last summer, the university engaged in a major reorganisation process, a transformational change, and created 3 broad, multidisciplinary research institutes: the Institute for Energy Futures, the Institute for Materials and Manufacturing, and the Institute for Environment, Health and Societies. And these institutes have got about 2/3 of our faculty in and are concentrating their research into 15 research themes. And these are the areas the university has identified that it believes it can be more successful in and build over in the future. So these themes are areas where we have critical mass, we have a strong reputation, where there's external interest and funding available from public bodies and industry, where we have strong industrial partners, and that's very important in modern research today, and strong overseas collaborators. And there are also areas where we have a strong sort of equipment base where we can do unique things, employ unique methodologies, such as the equipment you'll see this afternoon. And so over time, we've built these institutes now. Last summer, we're looking to try and get more of our academic staff working in these areas, and then we're looking to recruit into these areas, and over time, grow these institutes so that more of our research is situated in these important areas, and then looking to align our educational programs to these areas of research and research strength. So looking to create an institution that is clear about which challenges it is addressing, bringing together people out of different disciplines to address those challenges, and then aligning its educational program to those areas. And of course, one of those areas is the subject of today's meeting. We were fortunate at Christmas to receive very strong REF results. We have, I think the 5th largest engineering faculty in the UK, and though every institution claimed they were a winner in these exercises, we claimed we were a winner as well, but actually the Times Higher also said we were a winner as well, which was very helpful of them and particularly welcome for me personally. So we're now enjoying the 38th largest share of the government income for research, which is much higher than many people imagine for an institution this size. So we're doing very well, and we're looking to build in good areas in the future. So as I mentioned, one of the 3 institutes is the Institute of Energy Futures, and that is led by Savas. And this is incorporating over 40 staff, academic staff, and over 150 researchers and PhD students. And this institute, of course, is leading the Research Council's UK National Centre for Sustainable Energy Use in Food Chain, which is very difficult to say, CSEF. Now, CSEF is one of 6 end-use energy demand centres established by the Research Councils in 2013. And they are leading research into energy demand reduction in various sectors of the economy. We will hear more about the other 6 centres and the other RCUK programmes from later speakers. So in CSEF, Brunel is partnered with Manchester and with Birmingham, and we are carrying out research together covering energy demand reduction at all stages of the food chain. The 3 university groups have substantial complementary research experience, ranging from manufacturing processes, the life cycle analysis of environmental impacts, and energy-efficient technologies and practices. So in September 2013, we launched the CSEF Center at Brunel, and I know some of you were here then. So nearly 2 years on, the purpose of the gathering today is to report on the progress we've made, obtain some feedback, engage with more stakeholders, and hopefully identify some more areas to do research in and more collaborators to work with. So to support CSEF research, the universities have heavily invested in additional academic staff and facilities. At Brunel, we have heavily committed to energy research, and to support and expand the activities in food-related research, we've invested £3 million in new buildings and facilities, which you will have the opportunity of seeing this afternoon. You will also, during the day, have the opportunity to view the wide range of research that's being undertaken by CSEF over lunchtime and also talk to researchers from the 3 universities about their individual research projects. So there's a range of things going on throughout the day which we hope you will engage with and identify new opportunities for us and for you to take our work forward. So once again, on behalf of the Vice Chancellor, a very warm welcome to Brunel University, and I hope you have an enjoyable and productive day. So welcome.